Even though away every problem, every pain will be undone. I'll tear for you, my dear, and all I left behind.
Out for an evening stroll?
I'm just trying to clear my head.
Rough night?
Rough 2 years.
I've received over 200 calls in the last few days, all swearing they know who stole Allie's remains. Everyone's been accused, from Mrs. Welch to Obama to you. But it's all just lies.
You have no idea how much I'm looking forward to going to college next year. Getting out of this place. You know, it's dysfunctional people.
Yeah, sounds good, doesn't it? But unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. Trust me. You can leave Rosewood, but Rosewood will never leave you. I gotta do a few things. Driving up to meet my parents in the morning.
Tell them I say hi.
Spencer, I'm withdrawing the reward. You were right. It's too much for me.
Truth always comes out, Jason. One way or another.
Yeah, meet me in the parking lot in 15 minutes.
Is there a problem, Detective?
How far away is your parents' lake house?
Why?
Just curious.
Welcome to Montecito Airport. We remind you that the white zone is for the immediate loading